In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AirPod Pro to iPhone on iOS 18. So with the recent iOS 18 update, you can easily connect your AirPod Pro to your iPhone and turn your AirPod Pro to your audio output or switch between audio output on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to connect your AirPod Pro to your iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do first is make sure your AirPod Pro is charged. And here I have my AirPod Pro charged to around 90%, and the AirPods itself is fully charged. Now once you have the casing charged, all you need to do is open the AirPod Pro just like this, very close to your iPhone. Then you should see a port that says not your AirPod Pro. You need to connect by clicking on the connect button. Then you'll be prompted to hold the connection button on the AirPod Pro. This, go ahead and press and hold it. Then once you hear a beep, let it go. Then after that, you see connecting. Your AirPod Pro will now start connecting to your iPhone. Then you'll hear a series of beeps during this connection process. Just hang on. And then you'll see the name of your AirPod Pro. If you have renamed it, in this case, I've renamed my AirPod Pro to Audio 4A. Then click on the continue button. There you go. Then you'll see another pops. Once your AirPod Pro is connected to your iPhone on iOS 18 successfully, then you can close this. Go to your iPhone settings. Now you should see your AirPod Pro added to your iPhone settings page, and I have added to AirPod Pro. If you click on that, then you'll be able to configure your AirPod Pro on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily connect AirPod Pro to iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.